channel. So it is winter time here in Melbourne, Australia, and it's so timely that I got these hand warmers from Okupa. So Okupa is an industry leading brand for rechargeable hand warmers, and they have provided a solution for our warmth needs. So let us unbox these items one at a time. So let's start with this one first. And I'm so impressed with their packaging because it is well presented and it is completely sealed. So I love items that are completely sealed. It looks secure, and also the box itself is quite sturdy. So let us start with this one first. So this is the Halo series. I have here this is the H01 PD Pro fast charging. So let us quickly do the unboxing. This one. So what's in the box? So in the box we have the lanyard, we have the USB-A to USB-C, we have the user manual, and we have the portable pouch inside it. So this is the hand warmer itself. There, and this is where you do the charging and stuff. So this is the H01 PD Pro fast charging. It's a 10,000 mAh, and the charging time for this is 3 to 4 hours, and running time is 6 to 15 hours. There are two colors on this H01 series. And also it's very light. It's just only like around 210 grams for this one. So that's that one there. So the second hand warmer that I got from them is the Union 5S detachable hand warmer. So again, it's completely sealed, and its packaging is well secured, and the box is also quite sturdy. So let's quickly do these. This, what's in the box? So we have again the lanyard, we have the portable pouch, and again the user manual, the USB-A to USB-C cable. So this is the hand warmer itself. That, there, and that one. So this is again the Union 5S detachable hand warmer. It comes in 6 different colors, and the battery capacity for this one is around 10,000 mAh, and the charging time is around 5 to 6 hours, and the running time is around 6 to 15 hours. So this is quite heavier than the other one, than the H01 PD Pro fast charging, because this is around 240 grams in weight. So it's quite heavier than the other one, because the other one's only just 210 grams. And then the last one is the Union 5S battery cord. So let's just put this one aside first. Then we have so this is the battery cord. So again, we have the user manual, the USB-A to USB-C cord, the lanyard. So this is the Union 5S battery cord. So this is used for the Union 5S detachable hand warmer, because the battery cord for this one is interchangeable. So whenever the other one has run out, you can always interchange it with the other one. So that's how cool it is. These hand warmers can also be used as a power bank, but please do read the user manual very carefully before operating these devices. And also it's very important that your hand warmer is fully charged before using it for the first time. We're gonna put the link in the description box below so you know where I got these items from, and also to enjoy some discounts when you use that link. So this Okupa hand warmer allows you to enjoy comfort without fear of being cold, whether for home use, daily use, or outdoor sports. That's all for now, guys, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Keep safe, everyone. Bye! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is winter time here in Melbourne, Australia, and this Okupa hand warmer comes in handy. Okupa is an industry-leading brand for rechargeable hand warmers. They have provided a solution for our warmth needs, especially this time of the year. I have tried their hand warmers before and I must admit that they're very useful and they're very beneficial, especially this time of the year and especially if we get cold hands all the time. So I have here one of their most popular models from the Union series. So I have here the Union Twin 2S. So let us quickly unbox this one. So the box itself is completely sealed. And again, I have mentioned this a lot of times that I love it when they're completely sealed because it looks so secure and they look well presented. Let me just quickly show you what's in the box. So we have the user manual. We have the portable pouch. And we have two USB-C to USB-A cables. And these two here. So that's one. And here's another one. So we have two identical hand warmers here which are magnetic. So whatever is the feature or specifications of the other one is pretty much the same as the other one too. So let me just quickly show you. So I have here that's the button here, the power button, and the battery level or the heat settings button. And over here is if you open that one here, so that's your charging ports, that's the USB-A and the USB-C. Pretty much the same as the other one. If you open it, charging port and the power button or the heat setting as well. So it's just magnets in like that. So it looks like this. It is composed of two identical hand warmers which can be attached together with the built-in magnets, which is this one here, so that if you want to share your warmth with your friends, your pals, or your family members, there's Union Twin 2S is for you. So this has got a total battery capacity of 10,000 mAh, which means it has 5,000 mAh for each of the hand warmers. The working time for each is around 8 hours, so that's a total of 16 hours. The charging time is around 2 to 4 hours, and each only weighs around 12.5 grams. So it's pretty light. We're gonna put the product link in the description box below, but please do read the user manual before operating this device, and also please fully charge this one before using it for the first time. So yes, Okupa hand warmer allows us to enjoy comfort without the fear of being cold, whether for home use, daily use, or outdoor sports. That's all for now, guys, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Keep safe, everyone. Bye!